If you have just $500, which home recording studio equipment would you choose? Here is my favorite list. Hello there, Michael here from Micro Audio. What would I choose if I have $500 now in 2024 for my home recording studio setup under $500? Let's dive right in. We will go with the audio interface, headphones, microphone and speakers. I'm choosing the prices from the Thomann.da, which is the best provider here in Europe, and probably the prices on Amazon or wherever you are going to be similar or the same. Maybe shipping is somewhere increased or decreased price, but it is what it is. So the first thing is this small audio interface. When you have some money, try to invest the largest amount of money in microphone and audio interface. More in the microphone, less in the audio interface, and then the least in headphones or in speakers. Because the microphone and audio interface will determine the quality once you finished what you are doing. And the speakers and the headphones are here just to give you an overall sound image. So I went with the Behringer Euphoria right here, MC22, which is just $66, which is really affordable, I think. It's amazing small little piece of hardware. As you can see, it has the mic line input with Midas preamps, which is great quality, by the way. It has the instrumental input as well, headphones output here on the front, and on the back two outputs for your speakers, and phantom power at the end as well. That's my choice for the audio interface. The second thing is microphone, and I will go here with the highest possible one, and the most expensive thing in our list is Rode NT1A Complete Vocal Recording Kit. With this amazing mic you will have an amazing quality. It has large diaphragm, it has amazing tone, you will be amazed how awesome it sounds. Plus you will get pop-up filter with it, you will get shock mount with it, cable and this small nice bag. It's cool for $204, it's definitely worth it. The number 3 are headphones, and here I will go with slightly not the best option, but AKG K240 Studio are great for $77. They are amazing. I love them. I think you will have amazing time wearing them as well. They have detachable cord here, and because of that you can easily plug and play them or replace the cord if something happens, and that's amazing. They're open back headphones, just don't make them too loud because the microphone can pick the sound from them. And the number 4 is Mackie CR4S X, which are studio monitors for $134 almost dollars. So yes, they do connect a little bit weirder than other speakers, and that's via these RCA cables, which aren't supported by the audio interface which we chose, but you can easily have those jacks to plug them in, so that won't cause any difference. For the price we have, they are the best for the bundle. If you can, upgrade them a little bit, at least to maybe PreSonus ones or something like that. They will make much more difference. And when we do the math, we have $66 for the audio interface, we have $204 for the microphone, we have $77 for the headphones, and we have $133 for the studio monitors. And that brings up, can you see that? I don't know. That brings us to $480 worth of gear. I think that's great. You have $20 to spend on some cables and etc. So if you want a high quality home recording studio under $500, that's the setup which you want to go. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please let me know in the comments down below if I missed something, and if I did, I will answer all those questions in the next video. Bye!